we knew the OmegaCube was a very good help and everything else. And that was the main thing, was the buy-in from other group, in engineering and other group, they finally realized that importance of easiness of, why we needed the ERP system, Took their time, 8-9 months before everybody jumped in, We still kept that service module, didn't implement it because we had another manager over there not buying into that one.
We're just starting to implement the service module just this last several weeks. We're working right now with OmegaCube and getting that all set up and working so we can tie that all in with the system.
We still have way to go. Right now with the accounting, we still use QuickBook to do some of the things, but that process still gonna be, we need a buy-in from the accounting department. But they've been very helpful. They've been really appreciative of receiving and all other things, how it is improved their functionality, Like we just said regarding service module, we just started implementing. We got some way to go, but we want to go dashboard, where also we want to do parts order everything on the cloud, We put on the cloud and we can bill material everything else, and the customer or our local guys can order part directly from that kind of stuff. That's the next thing we like to do. So we know the OmegaCube has the capabilities, but we take it step at a time and not overwhelm ourselves,
That's one of our next steps that we are interested in doing, and that's one of the things in which we had our sights on, and then when the OmegaCube came through and mentioned this feature, we all kind of perked up like, hey, this is a good feature. And one of the things we want to implement down the road is we want to offer service contracts to our customers. Do periodic maintenance, just to offer, let's say, twice a year to a customer. And then we would have a van with parts. And so we're definitely interested in having that feature down the road so that we can use those hours with our service guy, his schedules, and plus the inventory of the parts in the van to sell that part as they're doing the maintenance on that product, saying, you need a new valve, we can then replace it, here's the cost, here's the charge, etc.
Right now we are focusing on service module that we want to implement, so that service department and the service group, the scheduling and everything else is on OmegaCube. So automatically other department know right away who service guy is where and what is doing, that kind of stuff, After the service module,
we're going to do the pick list.
Yeah, same thing we are trying to do, change for shipping department. Because right now there was a little issue we had that OmegaCube, the report for the shipping, we used to manipulate that kind of stuff, But now with the help of the OmegaCube and our input, everything else, I think we just finalized that yesterday. So now, the shipping clerk doesn't have to do manually all the work, We, like Dan already talked about, we got some of the old Excel sheet in costing. We want to convert that into some different format, so it can be automatically in OmegaCube or something like that. So the sales quotation, everything else can be a little faster. And we can feel more comfortable using that kind of thing. But right now we have those Excel sheets were done about 12, 15 years ago, and those people who created not here anymore. So we have to go careful about it, how it was generated and all kinds of stuff, So, but that's the direction we want to go. And we have communicate with the Omega when we started with, and we gave a couple of examples, and they came back and converted right away. So we know they are capable of doing that one. So, but so many other things going. So it's one of the another thing that we are going to get OmegaCube's help in near future.